This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 11 of building Thanos' Gauntlet, the Infinity Gauntlet from the Infinity Saga, from Marvel Studios, from the Avengers, and all of those sort of things. So yeah, let's have a look. We are starting on something a little bit different. We're starting on the thumb today, after looking at the death of Captain Marvel. Don't spoil us. I'm sure she gets better, or he gets better. He's a bloke there. I don't know. Is that not Captain Marvel that I know? I don't know. Captain Marvel, isn't it? The Brie Larson thing is Captain. I don't get it, but maybe reincarnated after. I don't read the comics, so I'm not entirely certain as to that. So we have the thumb part 1, and a different screw. Interesting. I've just been saying that all of these screws are the same. It's been great, and they bring in a different one. I'm not entirely certain why, or maybe I do know why, because these are plastic parts. I'm not sure if all of the thumb and the fingers are plastic, or if it's just the tip, or I don't know. But that's the way it is. So we'll have a closer look at that in a moment. Looking at Mentor, Thanos' dad. Doesn't look like Thanos at all. I'm not entirely certain. I assume that's probably him. I don't know. Feels like 2 pages there. It is. So yeah, I don't know who Mentor is. Steve Englehart, obviously another writer, author, drawer, whatever, artist. Not sure. So let's get the thumb together. So here we have the part that we're not using yet, and put that aside for next time. We have 3 of these different screws. They are silver screws rather than black, and they are different, probably because it's going into plastic. I'm not entirely certain, but I shall make sure I keep the others safe just in case. Now, also in this pack, we have a pack of batteries. Now, I was a pack of batteries short when I put the other stones together, and I supplied my own. So I shall keep these aside for maybe next time. There's still other stones to go, but when the batteries die, and I can obviously use them to replace them if need be. So this is the thumb, which goes together quite simply like so. And we've got, they're going to fit in there. It is a single screw to hold that together. Oh, right, there's obviously something on the tip there as well. So maybe there is a plating to go onto this. Not entirely certain. Now, being wary that I'm screwing into plastic rather than metal for the first time on this build, so don't go too crazy, too tight, because you can break threads easily on plastic. Is that going to be? I reckon it's going to have some sort of plastic, a metal bit that will go over and cover it, maybe, but not structurally. Don't know. We'll find out soon, but not quite yet, because that is the end of this month's package. Let me bring in what we've done so far. We did a whole chunk of that. This is going to go about there somewhere, isn't it? That's probably, I don't know, about there. Then we have also got the cloth that nobody mentioned, obviously for polishing and cleaning, but that is the other side of it. It's really getting quite huge. They're going to go together yet. Those bits do join up. It's going to go like that. We've got a thing and the thumb, and it's going to attach in there somewhere. Or it's getting there. I'm liking it quite a lot. So if you're enjoying the build as much as I am, let me know in the comments. Leave a like and a subscribe, obviously, if you haven't already. And I shall see you very shortly for the next part of this, or something else in between. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye-bye for now.